Hey guys, so today I'll be sharing 3 easy to cook dishes. First, let's begin with the creamy pasta. I'm using this creamy pasta sauce sent to me by Chefboss. In a pan, I'm taking some pasta sauce, adding a little bit of water. With the help of a whisker, I'm whisking it really well. Now I'm adding boiled pasta. Mix it really well until the sauce is evenly coated, and then top it up with some red chili flakes, and your creamy white sauce pasta is ready. The second dish is the Hyderabadi Biryani. This is one of my favorite dish because I love biryani. I can eat it all day. Now in a pan, I'm taking some ghee. Once the ghee is hot, I'm adding a little bit of onion. Once the onion is a little bit golden brown, I'm gonna add some tomato. This is totally optional. You need not add anything. You can directly mix the paste with the rice and the chicken and you can make it directly. I just like to add some onion and tomato. Once the tomato is really mashed and it's ready, now it's a time to add some boiled chicken. You can add a chicken directly, but I like to boil it before adding it. Give it a good mix. And let it cook for some time. Now it's cooked and it's time to add the Hyderabadi biryani paste, which was sent to me by Chefboss. It is in a paste kind of consistency. I'm adding all of it, giving it a good mix. And now it's time to add some water. I'm adding the leftover chicken stock. Now cook it till it comes to a gravy kind of consistency. I like it a little spicy, so I added 1 green chili. It's totally optional. Now you can see it's come to a gravy kind of consistency. Now it's the right time to add your basmati rice. I am adding this boiled basmati rice on top of the chicken, like so. Cover it with the rice. This is totally optional. I'm adding some yellow color just to give that restaurant feel. One of the yummiest biryanis I've ever made, and it's very quick. Do give it a try. Now the third dish is the chili paneer. I've chopped some capsicum, onion and paneer. In a pan, I'm adding a little bit of oil and adding paneer. Fry it a little bit. Don't fry too much, and keep the paneer aside, and in the same pan fry onion, capsicum until it's translucent or until the rawness is gone. And then I'm adding a little bit of ginger garlic paste as well because I like the flavor. It's totally optional, you need not add it. And now I'm adding the fried paneer. Mix it really well. Now it's time to add the chili Chinese stir fry sauce. You can use this sauce for various other recipes. You can use it for chicken and you can use it as a dip. That's it. And simple, isn't it? This is one of the easiest recipes. You just need to mix it with anything you want, like vegetables, chicken or anything like that, and it's ready. Do give it a try. Do check out Chefboss website. They have a wide varieties of ready to cook mix. Do check it out. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.